Hi, I'm still finishing my pottery studio, and one of the things I still don't have here is a ceramic glaze sprayer booth, and I don't have one because they are not cheap. So I'm thinking I'm going to build it myself. But in the meanwhile, I needed something to spray glaze my pottery, and this is what I've been using. It has been working really well for me, so I'm going to share with you this very simple and cheap idea because I think it's a really good provisional solution in case you don't have a good sprayer booth. Okay, you only need a wheel. I bought this wheel in IKEA for €6. It spins really smoothly, which I think is what you need for from a wheel that you're going to use in a sprayer booth. Then you need a plastic box. Um, this one I bought it in IKEA as well for €7, but of course you can use whatever plastic box you have. The only important thing is that it can fit your wheel inside. I like it because of the shape, and it adjusts to the wheel really well. And the way I use it is I take a piece, I put it here in the middle. Of course, I use all the protection you need, like glasses, masks, gloves, and then with the glaze sprayer, I use spray it. The sprayer I use, it cost me around €52. So in total, it cost me everything €65, which is I think a really good price. And you can see the results with the sprayer and the setup are really good. I will make very soon a review of this sprayer because I like it. Okay, I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of this setup. Now, good things about this setup. Of course, it's portable. You can take it wherever you want and glaze your pieces, yeah, whatever you want to. Also, you can reuse the excess of glaze. You can see the box has an inclination that will make the glaze go down and stay down here, and then just pour it back to your glaze bucket and then reuse it. This is the excess of glaze after spraying. Then I can just take the box, put it here and pour it back. I pour it back through a sieve, and this way you are going to have a really efficient use of your glaze. It's also a very small setup that you can just put away somewhere in your studio, and whenever you need to use it, you take it, you use it, you clean it, and then put it away once again until the next time you need it. Another thing I like, it's super easy to mount. You do this and you have it ready to use. You don't need any special skills to build this sprayer booth. Okay, it's super easy to clean. Once you have finished spraying, you take the wheel, you clean it. Then if you want, you can take the excess of glaze and reuse it. And then you take the box, and clean it wherever you want to. This plastic is very easy to clean. Obviously, obviously, what I don't like of this setup is that it doesn't have a ventilation system. When you spray your glaze, part of the glaze will stick to the walls, but also part of it will stay on the air. And because part of the glaze will stay on the air, you should use, of course, a mask, some glasses to protect your eyes. A pair of gloves is also good to use. It's also important that when you spray your glaze, you do it somewhere with really good ventilation. For example, you can do it outside, or if you do it in your studio, make sure you have a really good ventilation inside your studio. In my case, my studio is small and I have huge windows that are constantly ventilating my studio. Of course, it's always better to have a ventilation system in your booth. I also keep my mask on my face during spraying the glaze, but also afterwards until I don't feel the studio has been completely ventilated. I don't take my mask out of my face, just for precaution. Okay, I think this is everything I wanted to say about this setup. Of course, I'm not going to use it forever. It's only a provisional solution until I have a proper sprayer booth. But so far, I'm really happy with the results that this setup has given to me.